Nagtatanggal ako contact lens. Tapos,
May ganun.
naka-glasses na ako. Tapos pagkasuot ko ng glasses, pagtingin ko,
Wow!
may lumabas na kwarto. Who do you think it is?
Sorry.
Bro. Yeah. Pag ganun ng glasses,
Yeah, bumagal no. And then, ano ba? And then after that, you know, I just... And then, immediately, nilapitan ko. Na parang, kinausap ko like, hey, Cap, pwede na ba kita makausap about, you know, smooth.
it's like a movie.
Yun, nag-usap kami about if I can still help as a warden. Yung observe, ganun. Sabi niya, yeah, you can still help. Hindi ka na lang yung mag-uwat. So, tapos kinamusta ko siya. Like, how was your... Nakamusta naman ito? So, parang...
Oh.
Parang paalis na siya, pero like, ano pa ako. Sabi ko, you know, I was worried about you kasi yung candles mo, it was like, what's the, yung ganun ko, yung it's like, you know,
3 points from shot.
buzzer
From the
beater,
moon. Buzzer beater.
Buzzer beater, here.
Dude, good stuff. Good stuff.
Why you hug it?
Proud of you. It's a proud of you moment.
Pero nakausap mo na ulit, no?
Today,
Yeah. Later. Ah, yeah?
konti lang.
Oh, ito.
Ano yung ang bilis mag-met. So like, I was like worried na baka mapasok ako. So like, I was asking you, Cap, are you okay? Kailangan mo na mag-sub. Kailangan ko na ba punasan yung yung area mo dun sa stuff like that. Good morning, kamusta?
I support y'all, bro. I support y'all. 100%.
What?
Don't worry, bro.
What?
Keep the train coming.
What? Ano? What did you say?
I support you guys.
Crazy.